Hey folks, so this is a really quick video just showing you how to install the free version of the Play Sound on Hover plugin. So from your dashboard, just head on over to Pages, select either add, in your not linked section, you can add a new link by scrolling down like this, or if you've got one like me, as a handy one ready, just open it up. Select URL here, file, and you want to add the plugin Squareskills Play Sound on Hover. If you're doing the full version, this is just the demo for the free version. So upload your sound file here. I've got my click.mp4, but if I need to upload it, I would just click here and let's do another one. So let's upload this sharppop.mp3. You can save if you want, but you can actually just close and go out and then head over to custom code, scroll right down to code injection, and then you can grab the snippet. So the snippet should look something like this for the free version. Let me just copy and paste it. So it's a little JavaScript snippet. It's already set to click.mp4, but let's say you wanted to do a different file like that sharp pop, and make sure the file extension is right. So mp3, save that. I'm going to turn my volume right up, so hopefully you can hear. And it'll do a little pop when you hover over anything that's got a link in it. So I think there's a button down here on this template. There you go. If you want to change that, maybe I want it to be bubble.mp3, which is another file I had uploaded. Let it load. And there you go. Super, super simple. And if you have the premium version of the plugin, it would be pretty much the same setup. You just grab the snippet from the from the customization page, from the product page. It'll look something like this. And again, you change your sound, so click.mp3 or whatever. Go through any other elements of the config. Sorry, I need to remove that part. Sorry, not remove that part, keep that part. Yeah, and then save it, and again, it'll work for you. I hope you found this useful, and yeah, there you go.